Why does a jaw get stuck open? Are there warning signs before it happens? Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, chronic pain physical therapist at Rehab and Revive. Let's paint the picture. The what happened to me moment. So you yawn, you laugh, you bite into a burger, and suddenly your jaw opens and just stays there.
I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Yeah. I don't really want to pass out.
People panic, and honestly, it feels like it jammed. But the truth, it didn't jam. It overslid. Your jaw is not a simple hinge. It's a hinge and a slide joint. As you open, the condyle slides forward into a little bump called the articular eminence. You also have a disc in between, your TMJ disk, the shock absorber of the joint. Here's an analogy. Think of it like a garage door roller that jumps too far forward on its track. Once it overshoots the rail, you can't roll back unless you manually nudge it. That's your jaw. Too much forward slide plus the disc being out of position equals it being stuck open. Why this happens, and here's the real mechanics. The disc slides too far forward. The jawbone, the condyle, follows it past the point of control. When you try to close, the disc becomes a doorstop, blocking the return path. Your muscles, the masseter, temporalis, and especially the lateral pterygoid, freak out and clamp. Now the jaw is locked open, guarded, and confused. What to do if it locks? You want to reset the muscles, your masseter and temporalis muscles. You want to give it a good massage. Why this works? These are your primary jaw closers. If they're spasming, the condyles can't slide backwards. So how you can do this, you can massage your masseters, grab around your cheekbones, you can massage, you can work slow circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, just around the cheeks for about 30 to 60 seconds. You can also grab the temporalis, which is these fan-shaped areas around here, and just work it around front to back, around your ears, all the way around your skull, around there. The second exercise you can do an ear pulling technique. You've seen some of these in some of my previous videos. You can take your thumbs and you can kind of lock it into your jaw so you can get in and kind of knock things back on track. This is your posterior glide, a disc reset, as we would call it, to the condyles. And you can just open, close your, if it's locked, you can try to like unlock it a little bit. So you can try to push, you try to knock things back. And if things start kind of jostling a little bit, you can do tiny wiggles. You can try to wiggle side to side manually with your hands. Or if you have some muscle strength with it, you can try to get things, and sometimes there's a little click that can happen. And then no big bites for the day and the next day. Everything will be all right. Everything is gonna be all right. And you want to tell your joints to behave. So that's what you want to do to take care of your jaw joints, and then introduce with some other exercises I've shown in the past, like jaw tracking. You can check those out in the videos in the past, and we'll link those in the description box below. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.